Hello friends, welcome to Secret of Electronics. In this video we will learn how to read the soil moisture value from a soil moisture sensor module using the Raspberry Pi Pico W board and MicroPython, and how to display the soil moisture value on a web page. This circuit diagram shows the connection of a soil moisture sensor module to a Raspberry Pi Pico W board. The sensor has 4 pins: AO analog output, DO digital output, GND and BCC. In this circuit, the A0 pin analog output is connected to GPIO 26 ADC0 of the Raspberry Pi Pico W, which allows the Pico W to read the analog soil moisture level. The DO pin is not used in this circuit. The GND pin of the sensor is connected to the GND pin of the Raspberry Pi Pico W, and the BCC pin is connected to the 3.3 volt power output pin of the Raspberry Pi Pico W board. This setup enables the Pico W to power the sensor and read real-time soil moisture levels via its ADC analog to digital converter for use in MicroPython applications such as displaying the data on a web page. This MicroPython code sets a soil moisture monitoring system using the Raspberry Pi Pico W board, a soil moisture sensor, and a web-based interface. The system reads analog moisture levels from the sensor connected to GPIO 26 ADC0. The code first initializes the sensor and defines dry, dry_value, and wet_value calibration values. The Pico W is then configured to operate as a Wi-Fi access point with the SSID Pico_soil_monitor and password 128, allowing devices to connect directly to it once the access point is active. The code sets up a simple HTTP web server that listens on port 80. A function get_soil moisture_% reads the raw 16-bit analog value from the sensor, map it to a percentage based on the predefined dry and wet threshold, and returns the soil moisture level as a percentage. Another function web_page dynamically generates a HTML page that displays the current soil moisture percentage with styling and a 3-second auto refresh. The main loop listens for HTTP requests from clients such as a smartphone or laptop connected to the Pico W board. Process each request, calculates the latest soil moisture reading, generates the corresponding HTML page, and sends it as the HTTP response. If any errors during connection handling, they are cached and printed. This setup enables real-time wireless soil moisture monitoring on a local web page without requiring internet access. Now take a Raspberry Pi Pico W board with MicroPython installed and connect it to your PC or laptop using a USB cable. After connecting, you should see the MicroPython version under the shell along with a message indicating Raspberry Pi Pico W with RP 2040. This means the Raspberry Pi Pico W board is successfully connected to the PC. If you do not see this message after connecting the board, go to Tools, Options, then click on the Interpreter tab. In the first field, select MicroPython Raspberry Pi Pico, and in the second field, select Try to detect port automatically. Now you should see that the Raspberry Pi Pico W board is connected successfully. Go to File and click New. A blank file will open. Now copy the MicroPython code, which you can download from the link provided in the description, and paste it into the new file in Thonny IDE. After pasting the code, go to File and click Save as a, then select Raspberry Pi Pico, type main.py in the file name field, and click OK. The code will now be uploaded to the Raspberry Pi Pico W board. Now run the code by clicking the Run button in the Thonny IDE. You will see the web page URL in the output. Next, open your smartphone's Wi-Fi settings and turn on Wi-Fi. After a few moments, you will see a network named pico_soil_monitor. Tap on it, and when prompted, enter the password that we set in the MicroPython code. After typing the password, tap OK to connect. Once connected, open your smartphone's browser and enter the IP address of the Raspberry Pi Pico W board. Then tap Go or OK in the browser. You will now see the real-time soil moisture value displayed on the smartphone browser. As you insert the soil moisture sensor probe into different types of soil, you will notice the soil moisture value changing in real time on the browser. If you liked this video, then do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch our upcoming interesting tutorials.